How to use the new Facebook Reels editing tools. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Facebook app and then go to the gallery icon on the top beside what's on your mind. Once you've chosen the video, just tap on edit and then tap on edit video and again go to edit on the bottom. Now here you can see various options, so you can see these blue borders. You can just drag it and decrease the length of the video, or you can just go to the middle and then find the part that you want to remove, hit split, and then go to another end and then uh, just hit split again and just tap on the middle part, and then you can just go to discard, and like this you can delete the middle section of the video as well. And you can even reorder. You can just move the clips front and back wherever you want to and then hit done. And you can even replace the clips, and then you can even increase or decrease the speed. 0.5 means slow speed, whereas 2x means the speed level has increased. You can even crop the parts, like I don't want the date and time in this video, so I'll just crop it out like this. uh, and then you can even mirror, you can even reverse. It will take a few seconds to reverse though. And then you can hit done, and you can add audio, text, effects, captions, and even stickers according to your wish. You can even save it, or you can just go to next, put it with caption, and post the reel. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.